Here I am with the hand wheel again on the 503J, and here is the hand wheel. Here is the small screw, the little screw. So we've got the hand wheel. This is the screw, or the threaded screw, that secures the lock washer or the locking washer to the hand wheel. And we know that that washer inside, that lock washer inside, is designed so that when we move the small screw and the bigger threaded screw that it's screwed into to that position as far as it will go, it will lock. And if we'd like it to be able to wind the bobbin, then I move this that way, and now the hand wheel has switched off. Then again, turn it, lock it on the right, and the hand wheel is engaged. Release it to the left, and the hand wheel is released. That the needle bar will sew, and hopefully you saw that just there as that happened. And likewise, to disengage the horizontal arm shaft needle bar, I hold on to the hand wheel, the balance wheel, and then with my thumb and forefinger, I grab the threaded screw and I turn that this way towards myself. And now we observe the needle bar and the hook. As I rotate the hand wheel, there's no movement. And then I just slip it back on, and there we have movement. Now we have some pretty smooth rotation now that we've unseized the machine and that we have made progress with it, because it was really frozen tight. So I just wanted to mention that about the hand wheel, and I'm still not certain what to call this threaded screw, this big threaded screw. But that is actually the hand wheel. Then we have that washer with the 3 studs sticking off the end. And the one stud is right there, because when that goes over there like that, when that stops, it's one of those studs on the lock washer that is stopping that screw from going any further. And likewise, when you turn it that way, everything will rotate, but that will be released. So that's going to become more pertinent as I do my bobbin winder study. I just want to be clear here that I'm not I never went to university or college to learn, to start playing with machines. That is something that I did on my own, and picked it up actually in May of 2020, just after COVID started. So what a wonderful ride it's been since then, and I'm playing with my focus now. And I just want to get down and focus on that. Well, that's focused on there pretty good too. Anyway, gals and guys, I'm going to be doing a Singer 503J PA10-8 motor disassembly. Well, I may not, I probably will disassemble it, but nonetheless, the next video I'm going to take a look at the motor. Hey, listen, hope you guys have fun, stay safe, please do subscribe and all that good stuff. Thank you very much, and I look forward to coming out here and playing with the sewing machine and telling the sewing machine story. Adios, amigos.